Subscribe worth old coin value. Imagine holding a small silver-colored coin in your hand. A coin so ordinary that millions of people walk past it every single day without giving it a second thought. But what if I told you that this coin, 1 dirham from the United Arab Emirates, dated 2014 to 1435, carries a story far older, far deeper, and far more powerful than most people realize? And today, you're going to hear that story in a way you've never heard it before. The 1 dirham coin may look modern, but its roots reach back into the rich history of Arabian trade, culture, and craftsmanship. The UAE itself may be young as a nation, but the region's monetary traditions stretch across centuries. From bustling ancient markets filled with pearls, spices, and gold, all the way to today's futuristic skyline of Dubai and Abu Dhabi, money has always played a central role in connecting people and shaping this land. The 2014 to 1435 1 dirham coin stands at the meeting point of 2 calendars, 2 worlds, and 2 eras. The Gregorian year, 2014, reflects the modern global system we all use, while 1435 represents the Islamic Hijri calendar, a tradition kept alive for over 1,000 years. Just seeing these 2 dates on one coin reminds you that the UAE is a place where heritage and progress walk side by side. If you look closely at the front of the coin, you'll see the iconic Arabic coffee pot, known as the dala. This symbol is more than decoration. It represents hospitality, generosity, and the age-old Arabian tradition of welcoming guests with coffee brewed slowly over the fire. For older generations, especially men who grew up in simpler times, the dala is a memory, a symbol of brotherhood, trust, and respect. When you hold this coin, you're not just holding metal. You're holding the spirit of the Gulf. Now turn the coin over, and you see the bold Arabic script spelling out United Arab Emirates. The design is clean, strong, and confident, much like the nation itself. In 2014, the UAE was in a period of rapid growth, transforming into one of the most influential economic centers in the world. Each dirham circulating in the country was a piece of that transformation. Many people collect coins for fun, some for history, and some for the hope that one day a forgotten little piece of metal could become a treasure. And as strange as it may sound, this 2014 to 1435 1 dirham has recently gained attention among collectors because of increasing interest in modern Middle Eastern coinage. Some editions, depending on rarity, strike, condition, and market demand, become extremely valuable in the hands of the right buyer. But the real power of this coin doesn't come from its price tag. It comes from the story it tells. A story about tradition, identity, and the unstoppable rise of a nation built with vision and determination. When older collectors look at this coin, they don't see something new. They see a bridge between the past they lived through and the future the world is witnessing. Collectors around the world are now searching for clean, well-preserved pieces of this exact year. Not because it is ancient, but because it represents a time of transition, a time when the UAE was stepping into global influence with even greater force. And when a coin becomes a marker of a defining moment, its value, historical, emotional, and financial, only grows. Now imagine this. Somewhere out there, a collector who has been searching for this exact coin for years might stumble upon your piece. Someone who is willing to pay a price that seems unbelievable. Because in the world of rare coin trading, when desire meets rarity, prices can climb to incredible heights. And that brings us to the part you've been waiting for. If a seller finds the right collector with the right interest and the right demand, the estimated value for this specific 1 dirham coin could reach as high as $1.5 million. Yes, one single small coin in your pocket today could be worth a fortune tomorrow. So before you spend it, before you toss it aside, take a good look at your coins. Because history doesn't always hide in museums or ancient ruins. Sometimes it lies quietly in your drawer, waiting for the right moment to reveal its worth. This coin, United Arab Emirates 1 dirham coin history, If you enjoyed this story and want to discover more hidden treasures, rare coins, and surprising values that people overlook every day, make sure you subscribe to Worth Old Coin Value. Your next life-changing discovery might be just one video away.